It was popping, team running up. Yo, today's gonna be a weird, interesting day for me because, yeah, we doing DoorDash today, right?
Boy, don't play us. Look at my fabric, way up. Mixed with action, play us. I this Atlas, way up. I got a passion, yeah, play us.
I guess, you know, when you got delivery onlys, it's something like Instacart. But for the most part, DoorDash is just picking up and dropping off. However, I do not expect to make anywhere near the amount I make with Instacart. You know, 300, 400, 500 plus days. Because this is the first day I'm ever doing this. I don't even know if I woke up early. I don't know if I'm at the right hour. I don't know anything about DoorDash. The app says your background check has been completed and get started, right? So I click get started right here. You know what I'm saying? Little button right there, start dashing. Let's click that button. Oh, here we go. Oh, man. So it says dash now, right? So let's click this dash now button. Oh, it says busy in my area, so we're gonna see. It gives me a time selected in time. So we gotta like clock in. We gotta clock in. That's new to me. That's new to me. What happens if I go until 9:30? I'm just gonna click. Is that good? I don't even know. How long do you clock in for? I don't even know what is the norm? What is the norm? What do dashers do? Well, how long do you guys, comment down below, please. How long should I clock in? It's 8:34. Let's do 10 o'clock. Let's go until 10. All right, dash until 10. All right, guys, so I got my first dash. I don't know what's going on here. I guess it's sending me to the store. $5.96, something I would never take for Instacart, to be honest. And it's 8 miles. So I from the looks of it, like that's not a good order. Like I would never do that on Instacart. I have arrived to my location, which looks to be Chipotle, right? No, it's Pete's Coffee. All right, Pete's Coffee. Here we go. It's right over there on that side. The funny thing about this right now is that this is the exact same parking lot that I camp at for that store right there for Instacart. And I'm not gonna lie to you, with an order like this, it's kind of making me Instacart hungry. You know what I mean? My thumb is getting itchy for Instacart. All right, so there we have it, the order right here. This is pretty small, pretty easy actually. I didn't expect that. It was just like I went in there, you know, looking like a lost puppy, and they were like, DoorDash, and I'm like, yeah. It's a little bit on the low side for the price, but still, hey, it's really easy. Now let's go deliver this. I'm gonna actually send the customer a message, you know, customer communication, in hopes to get a higher tip, if that's even a thing with DoorDash. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Let's get it. So one cool thing I noticed is that the delivery is only 6 minutes away. So I don't know what I was reading when it said 8 miles. Maybe the 8 miles was from where I was to the store and then to their house, like the entire thing. I don't know. This is actually not that bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. I could actually run it up like this all day long and hit some good numbers if it's like this all day long. All right, and we're here. Let me drop this off. Definitely nothing like Instacart Pay, but it was like 2 seconds. 2 seconds, man. It was really quick. So hopefully we get another one, and let's see how this goes. We're gonna just run it up. I don't care how much I make, really. I'm just doing this to just see. All right, fam, so we just got another order. It's a $7 and some change. I didn't really see how much change because I just took it so fast. This is how much I know about DoorDash. This shows you how much I know about DoorDash, because I'm not even sure if it's kind of like Instacart, where if an order pops up and you don't take it super fast, somebody else could take it. So I'm not sure of that. So $7 popped up and I just clicked it. Yes, accept right away, right? It's not like Instacart where if you sit around, it's okay a little bit to sit around, like, you know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even up to like 30 minutes to an hour, you can sit around on Instacart and still hit a great day as far as making money, because, you know, the payouts are so much bigger than DoorDash. Whereas DoorDash, you don't want to spend too much time sitting around. You know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops, you need another order because the payouts are so small, $5, $7. You don't want to sit around with DoorDash 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You won't make any money. All right, so that's why, like, whatever's popping up today, I'm taking everything. Whatever I see, I'm taking. Savage Dasher. Call me the Savage Dasher. Let's get it. All right, so I am here, and I don't even know where here is. It's not too far from where I was, but I don't know what restaurant. It's not saying a restaurant. It's just saying an address. So I gotta figure out what address this is. And then on top of that, they did an add-on order. I've never seen that, right? Well, this is the first day I've done DoorDash. Obviously, I've never seen that, but I accepted it anyways. $5 for another route or something. All right, so first little hiccup I ran into with DoorDash is I went in there and they weren't ready. I don't know how often that happens, but that cannot happen when you're doing DoorDash, because the orders, yet again, the payouts are so small, we don't want to wait around at all. If we're gonna maximize DoorDash, there cannot be a ton of waiting around for orders or for, you know, pickups when you receive the order. But however, I'm still confused about this add-on I just did, so I don't know what to do about this. Like I don't know what I got myself into. However, I'm just gonna follow the prompt and yeah, confirm. I guess it's sending me to another store for somebody else. All right, so that's okay, I guess so. Let's go do it. Okay, so we're at $18.79. It's been about, I would say, coming up on the hour. So that's not what I'm used to at all. Funny thing is, I'm actually at the store that I crush it at for Instacart every single day, because it's telling me that this is a hot area because there's a lot of shopping centers. I'm just, oh, we got an order, 2 items. Okay, so what's up, Dashers, Instacarters, team Run It Up, was popping. Today was an experiment. Now, to be fair, to be absolutely fair, I really can't compare DoorDash today, at least, to Instacart, because for one, I didn't start as early as possible on DoorDash today. I did not do that. And for two, this is my first day and I was kind of like getting the hang of things. And while I was scheduled to get dashes, or whatever you guys call them, orders, I wasn't paying attention to my phone 100% of the time. I was on the phone with my cousin. I was doing other stuff for my business. I was looking at stuff for taxes, which made my percentage of acceptance go down, I guess, which is not good. All right, so let's just get to the numbers real quick. We made $100 today, $100.79. It says that the active time that I was doing orders was 3 hours and 55 minutes. And the dash time is 5 hours and 11 minutes. I assume that just means it was 3 hours and 55 minutes of me actually delivering orders, and it was 5 hours and 11 minutes of the actual app being online and, you know, me taking hours of when I'm gonna work. But yeah, the first scheduled time I chose was 8:30 to 10 o'clock, right? And we made $18.79. As you guys can see right here, you know, dash time 1 hour and 30 minutes. Did 3 deliveries and made $18.79. That's not what I like to see, to be honest, for an hourly rate of income. I'm doing, you know, gig work or whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, that's not bad. It's not horrible. It's definitely not horrible. It's not bad, but I am used to, you know, way more per hour, you know, doing Instacart. But then the second wave I chose was 10 o'clock to 11:30, and my active time then was an hour and 10 minutes, right? With a dash time of an hour and 30 minutes, hour and 29, 4 deliveries, and I made $31.25. Now that's almost $30 an hour right there, and that's what I like to see. I also was active for an hour 44 minutes, and dash time was 2 hours and 12 minutes. I did 5 orders, 2 hours and 12 minutes. I made $50. So yeah, that comes to about $25 an hour, which is not bad. Not bad at all, right? 5 hours and 11 minutes total. Dash time and active hours, 3 hours and 55 minutes. I made $100. All in all, $100. I pretty much went from 8:30 to 2 o'clock. That is a long time to make $100, but this is my first time doing DoorDash, and I think I can make a lot more. You know what? I know 100% I can make a lot more. And honestly, the peak hour, which I didn't even work, is popping out here right now. So yeah, I didn't even do that. So yeah, I think I can bring in 3+. I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna give it my all the next time I try it. And we're gonna really compare the DoorDash versus Instacart. Yeah, we're gonna really see how much I can make with the DoorDash. But yeah, that being said, fam, hey, team Run It Up, you know, you can get it any type of way you need to get it. You don't have to just do Instacart. Didn't make as much as Instacart, but you don't have to do just Instacart. So wherever you are, if Instacart's not working for you, try DoorDash. It's not that bad. You know what I mean? Let's get it.